All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty cool unboxing as well. It is the next parts of the Motorsport Spinners unboxing. So yeah, so this is what we unboxed in the last video, the bronze mini Machinamathing. There you go. Amazing spinner. Check out my last video I did. It's about this thing. So yeah, today's video we're going to be unboxing something very similar, and that is, as you guys see, stainless steel mini Machinamathing. Wow, this thing is awesome. Just wow. Mint condition, nothing. So is this. I mean, just wow, this thing is amazing. Super stable. This is like on the tippy tip of my finger. It's not like falling off. Wow, just love that thing. Let me take it apart. Here's the inside of this thing. So first of all, let me go and get the weight of this thing. $46. 33 for the buttons, and then together it is 80. And I'm wondering, I think the bronze was 44, 45, I guess. 46. So it's like a gram heavier than the bronze. So yeah, I thought bronze was heavier, but I guess not. Stainless steel is a bit heavier. But wow, just the machine lines in this thing, just amazing. The holes and all that stuff, just wow. All right. All right, now what I want to do, I'm going to bring out some of my other Motorsport tri-spinners. Copper mini tri-ergo. Another copper mini tri-ergo. Titanium mini tri-ergo. Zirconium mini tri-ergo. The stainless steel Cinemathing V2. Bronze Cinemathing V2. I mean, brass, sorry. And then copper Cinemathing V2. As you guys see, there's a lot of minis. mini ergos, mini Machinamathings. But yeah, hopefully that is gonna stop soon. I do like some full-size stuff, like this thing. This is the bronze Machinamathing. Love that thing, but yeah, this video is about these. I mean, I love them all. They're all really stable. They balance on my fingertip with no issues whatsoever. So yeah, just amazing stuff. But yeah, what else was I gonna do? Yeah, let me weigh these things for you guys. I mean, I'm gonna do this in all the videos, just for those of you that missed the videos beforehand where I weigh these things. But yeah, how should I do this? I'm just gonna move this over here. There we go. $105, $104, $52, really light, $77, $83, $199, I guess. That's with the tungsten full throttle buttons, by the way. 87. And again, just real quick with these two. 82. And 80. Yeah, 80. Because the copper buttons are a lot more. So that's that. I mean, yeah, they're all amazing. These are just my tries. Yeah. I guess that's all. You guys know me, I don't like to keep the videos going forever when there's nothing to talk about. So I will just cut it here and then move on to the next unboxing. Yeah. Alright, that's all. Love this thing. We'll definitely want a full version of this for sure. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And don't forget to check out the Motorworks family Facebook page down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.